Hey guys, and as promised, I would be doing an unboxing of when I got the Google Home Mini from Spotify. So I got it a few days ago, so I'm just gonna unbox it right now. And last time I did an unboxing like this, and yes, on the other side of this package, it's all my information, my address and everything. So that's why I'm not gonna show you that. So here it is. It's brand new. I don't see anything different from something that you would buy in the store. I guess the only difference is the box itself right here. It's being hit. So here it is. Nest Mini. Oh, this is just a piece from something else I have. So what we got here are the manuals. And here's the Nest Mini that I got. So I was lucky enough that I was able to choose the color. I've heard from people that they tried to choose the color and they weren't able to. They just had one choice. In my case, I was able to choose the color. You guys can check out that video of how I signed up for the free Nest Mini on Spotify. So that was really great from Spotify to do with new and existing customers. So just in case, that promotion only worked with existing customers as long as the existing customer didn't claim something from Google before. If they have gotten one of these from before or something from Google from Spotify, then you wouldn't qualify for this. Now, if you're a new customer, obviously you're gonna qualify. And I'm thinking that with new customers, that's when they give you a choice of color and you can get one right away. Some people were put on the waiting list as well. So that's something that's good to know that can happen. Other than that, here is the cable you have to hook up to your Nest Mini. Here's the Nest Mini itself. And that would be it. That's all you guys get in the box. This is an unboxing video. I'm gonna do a setup video, sure, why not? I already have one up in my channel. This is the second generation. How do you guys know it's the second generation? Well, see this thing right here? With the Google Home Mini, you didn't have this. Obviously, there's more differences, but physically, that's what you guys can see right away. This has a lot of differences from the Google Home Mini, the first generation. This is the Nest Mini. They just changed the name of it, but it's the same thing. It's just the second generation. Other than that, I'm just gonna power it on so I can show you guys that it does in fact work. So I'm gonna plug in my Nest Mini. Here we go. All plugged. It's supposed to start up. And that would be it for this unboxing. After all, this is an unboxing video, and that would be it. There's not much more to show you about this, but it's new. Yes, I got it for free, so that was great. If you're looking at it, when you start this up, yeah, it's not on mute, it's perfect. It's still doing its things, turning on. There we go, finally it's actually turning on like it should.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So anyways, that would be it for this video. Just want to show you that it does work. I'm going to set it up in a second. And that would be it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.